Long-forgotten jobs have a habit of creeping up on you. They lay dormant for months, on the back burner, in the corners of your mind. 1 minute you're promising yourself to replace the nasty pool cover, upgrade your grisly robo pool cleaner, level up your ancient lights and revive that old pump. The next, summer is already here and you're haunted by regret because your yard wasn't resurrected in time. Luckily for you, summer isn't here, not yet, which means you still have time. Time to see your yard come alive for your family and turn your neighbours green with envy. So get your tomorrow jobs done today and unlock freaking good value while you're at it. Just use the code DOIT to unlock 10% off the whole pool and spa warehouse range, including the best brands on the market, the best service possible, and free shipping thrown in. Don't let regret linger when the sun's about to shine. Outrun disappointment by resurrecting your yard now. Trust us, every second of summer is worth it.